Jai Hind, Bharat Mata ki Jai. Every year, thousands of young people are recruited in the Indian Army. If you too share the same dream to join the Indian Army as an Agniveer or want to join for other recruitments in the Indian Army, then this video will help you achieve your dreams. There is a major change in the recruitment process in the Indian Army from the past years. Earlier, physical fitness and measurement tests during recruitment rallies were conducted at step 1, followed by medical tests and common entrance examination at the end. However, this process has changed. To be recruited as Agniveer or to get recruitment in the Indian Army today, you need to follow these steps. Step 1 will be you need to appear for an online common entrance examination. In step 2, physical fitness and measurement tests will be conducted during recruitment rallies. While at step 3, medical tests will be conducted for final recruitment. If you want to know more about the recruitment process and examination process and procedures, the links for videos in English and Hindi on how to register and apply to join Indian Army and common entrance exam process for recruitment in the Indian Army are available at www.joinindianarmy.nic.in. मेरे भारत तेरी मिट्टी को शत शत नमन. इंडियन आर्मी तेरे हर एक हौसले, हर एक उड़ान को शत शत नमन. थैंक यू सो मच.